The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:03 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain from near Apache and Cyril south to Lawton over to Sterling and Rush Springs. An inch of rain has fallen, and an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain is possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lawton, Duncan, Chickasha, Marlow, Elgin, Apache, Rush Springs, Fletcher, Cyril, Sterling, Cement, Norge, Eastern Fort Sill, Agawam, Lake Ellsworth, Central High, Minnetonka, Laverty, Stecker and Acme. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.